algebraic equation, the idea is to isolate your variable term by inverse operations, then isolate the variable. Before you can do this, you have to simplify both sides of the equation. Now in this example, the right side of the equation has already been simplified, but the left hadn't. And when I say simplify an expression, I mean you do what you can to get rid of the parentheses, and then you combine like terms. So on the left side here, I can distribute my 4. 4 times x is 4x. 4 times 2 is 8. I bring down my plus 1. And then I bring down the right side. Then the next step is to combine like terms. I can combine the 8 and the 1, and I get 4x plus 9 equals x minus 3. Now I want to get my x's on the same side, so I'm going to subtract an x from both sides. 4x minus x gives me 3x. I bring down my 9, and then x minus x gives me a 0, so I just bring down my negative 3. Now I can start isolating my variable term, and I do that by, well, a 9's been added to my variable term, so let me undo that by subtracting a 9 from both sides. This goes to 0. Negative 3 minus 9 gives me a negative 12. The next step is to isolate my variable, and how I do that with inverse operations. The variable has been multiplied by 3. I undo multiplication by dividing. So the last step, I have x equals negative 4.